In Mexico City, we can find one of the most emblematic ecosystems. It has a great ecological and cultural value, the Xochimilco wetland. This place is a natural park and a human heritage by UNESCO. Besides, it's an important Ramsar site. Here we can find unique specimens of flora and fauna like the Mexican lily water and the Mexican axolotl. These are native and threatened species. The wetland is a very important site for local and migratory birds. Xochimilco is also an important human settlement that has kept its traditions since pre-Hispanic times. People here produce the food for Mexico City on unique and sustainable floating gardens called chinampas. Basically, a chinampa is a sustainable island built with the earth of the bottom lake and the native trees found around. The chinampas produce the vegetables, ornamental and medicinal plants used all around Mexico City. Besides, this wetland gives us many environmental services such as water quality, carbon capture, and protects us from extreme weather conditions and floodings. Unfortunately, Xochimilco faces many problems like water pollution, intensive use of agrochemicals for food production, and the uncontrollable growth of the city. The landscapes are affected too, because the native trees are being replaced by non-native species, so the original support for the chinampas is waning and the ecosystem is deforested. This way, all the original material used to build the chinampas is disappearing and it's being replaced by pastures, threatening the biodiversity of this place. With this project, we directly support the preservation of the wetland and its biodiversity. Our goal is to establish a conservation center along with the community to recover, produce, and reforest with native trees the lakes and channels of Xochimilco. This way, we will recover usable spaces for the community, form natural barriers against strong winds, and control the soil erosion. In the Conservation Center, there will be also activities like workshops and trainings to prepare and raise awareness about conservation within the locals and visitors. We will actively involve them on reforestation and other activities. The community is a key factor for strengthening the identity and the relation nature society. We need to recognize the benefits of a healthy ecosystem. This project will help to the recovery of the ecosystem and will create refuges for biodiversity. We will improve water catchment, agricultural production, and the visual landscape. This way, more environmental services will be ensured.